created a new Python file and I named it Random Tutorial. It's fun when you can do basic math while programming. You know, you type some numbers and instruct the computer what to do with those numbers. You know what's cooler? Telling the computer to generate random numbers within a specific range. Like this. Let's import random. Random is a Python file that has nice things that we can use. We need to import it to use it. So let's print random.randint parentheses 0 to 3. Randint is one of the thingies inside random file that we imported. The two numbers inside the parentheses indicate the range. The first number is the minimum that can be generated. The second number is the maximum number that can be generated. Here, we are telling the computer to make a whole number from 0 to 3, so we can expect 0, 1, 2, or 3 to appear. So let's run it. 0, 0, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 2.